Last night, I had a call with our Transform members. These are members within the PBT Institute that I have the privilege of working with privately. So we were talking about Valentine's Day. Great day for some, really bad day for others. And I suggested this, and I'm wondering if this can help you. What about if just for this year, you don't have to talk about, going forward. This year, you change the meaning of it, because what we do is we go back to the way we used to celebrate, what it used to mean. And the go-to response is what was. Well, you're in a different position now if you've been betrayed, and everything is tainted, everything is different. So what about if this year, just this year only, you made it mean something different? Now, it could mean that you are just giving yourself some self-love, just self-care, or things that you normally wouldn't do. Maybe if you have kids, you're expressing your love to them in a very different way. Sharing love, showing, just love and giving time or attention to just people who've impacted you in your life. Or just doing something that, or not even celebrating at all. That's fine too. But what you're doing is you're creating a new meaning for something that you could look at as very painful. And just for this year, saying, I am giving myself a pass, and I'm either not celebrating at all, or I'm celebrating it in a way that feels comfortable for where I am right now. I hope that helps. Follow for more.